Hello there and welcome back. Francois from howtobecomemore.com. Today on Insight for Better Living, we're going to talk about mindset to achieve financial freedom. Mindset to achieve financial freedom. Let's start. Number one, focus on little luxuries. What do I mean by that? Well, if you focus on little luxuries, and I mean little luxuries, that means you appreciate the small things. How can you appreciate the big things unless you appreciate the small things? So start appreciating the small things and you're going to start attracting the bigger things. Number two, practice gratitude in all things. Being thankful for everything that you see, that you have, and even gratitude for the fortune that others have. That stops envy from coming into your life. A little tip, if people are very successful around you, well, be happy and give thanks because there is abundance around you as well, and you can claim your share of it as well. Another one, number three, stop saying this one phrase, I can't afford it, or I can't afford this, and instead start saying or asking yourself, good question, how can I afford this? How can I afford this? Just that question will send you on a track of possibilities rather than limitations. Finally, educate yourself. Ben Franklin said, if a man empties his purse into his head, no man can take it away from him. An investment in knowledge always pays the best dividend. Wise advice, Mr. Ben Franklin. So, just pick one thing from this video to try. Something you can experiment with today and get started with the process. Because let's face it, it takes time. So why not start today? So a little quick recap. Number one, focus on the little luxuries. Number two, practice gratitude in all things. Number three, stop saying this, I can't afford it, but rather ask the question, how can I afford this? And let the possibilities run through. And then educate yourself. Invest in yourself. Pick one and study it, apply it. As I said, it takes time. So why not start today? If you haven't already done so, subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell so you can actually get notified whenever a new video comes out. And they come out every day for me to serve you, and share it with your friends so they too can get the benefit from such a great thing. I appreciate you. I thank you for all that you do and continue to persist in getting better every day. That's another insight for better living. And until next time, make it a good one. Bye now.